Hi dear audience, welcome back to our Eastern Wisdom series. After exploring Taoist health-preserving methods from Sun Simiao, today we dive into a classic that blends Taoist practice with traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, the health chapters from Qian Jin Fang, 1,000 Golden Prescriptions, written by Sun Simiao, a great TCM master and Taoist scholar in the Tang dynasty. Known as the King of Medicine, he integrated Taoist key nourishing wisdom with TCM preventive treatment theory, offering targeted solutions for modern subhealth like fatigue, poor sleep, and stiff muscles. Why is Sun Simiao's health wisdom timeless? Unlike pure TCM prescriptions or Taoist cultivation, he proposed a holistic health system that connects body movement, breath regulation, and daily habits. It inherits the spirit key essence integration core from our previous classics, but goes deeper into TCM principles, explaining how subhealth arises from unbalanced key flow and how to adjust it through simple practices. This resonates with Western audiences struggling with chronic subhealth and seeking natural relief methods. Let's clarify its core framework, the 3 layers of preventive health. First, preventive health Ziwei Bing. Address subhealth before it develops into illness, which is the core of TCM and Taoist health philosophy. Second, moderate movement Chang Yu Shao Lao. Practice light exercise regularly instead of intense workouts, keeping the body active without overexertion. Third, habit alignment Hei Xiaru. Adjust diet, sleep, and emotions according to physical conditions, maintaining the balance of QI and blood. The most unique part is the moderate movement principle. Sun Simiao said, flowing water never goes stale, and a door hinge never rots because of constant movement. He opposed both excessive exercise that exhausts the body and long-term inactivity that blocks key flow. This fills the gap between our previous breathing practices and modern fitness, offering a sustainable way for busy people to stay healthy. In this episode, we've grasped the core of Sun Simiao's health wisdom. In the next episode, we'll break down actionable methods, his exclusive 10 daily light exercises and key regulating techniques for subhealth relief, all easy to practice in daily life. See you next episode. Hi everyone, welcome back to our interpretation of Qian Jin Fang's health chapters. Last episode, we learned about Sun Simiao's 3 layers of preventive health principle. Today we'll focus on actionable methods, the 10 daily light exercises, and targeted key regulating techniques, helping you relieve subhealth symptoms like fatigue and stiff shoulders. First, the 10 daily light exercises simplified for modern life. These are gentle movements that take only 10 minutes a day. 1. Rotate your neck slowly to relieve stiffness. 2. Stretch your shoulders back to open the chest and promote key flow. 3. Massage your waist in circles to nourish the kidneys. 4. Flex your knees slightly to activate leg ki. 5. Rub your hands and warm your face to improve blood circulation. The remaining 5 can be adjusted based on your body condition. The key is light, slow, and consistent. Second, targeted key regulating for subhealth fatigue. Building on our previous breathing methods, this chest-opening breathing is designed for people who sit for a long time. Sit upright, inhale slowly through your nose, expanding your chest as much as possible. Hold for 2 seconds, then exhale slowly while contracting your abdomen. Practice 8 times every 2 hours at work, It unblocks chest qi and relieves mental and physical fatigue. Third, habit adjustment for sleep-related subhealth. Sun Simiao emphasized going to bed early and waking early, avoiding midnight overstrain. For poor sleep, try this before bed. Rub your feet for 5 minutes. Focus on the sole acupoint to calm the mind. Avoid heavy meals and electronic devices 1 hour before bed. This complements the essence-preserving method from Sun Simiao, forming a complete sleep health cycle. It's important to note that Sun Simiao's wisdom emphasizes adaptation, not rigidity. These methods are not one-size-fits-all. For example, people with joint pain can replace neck rotation with gentle shoulder stretches. This aligns with the Taoist moderation and TCM individualized adjustment principles, making it suitable for people of different ages and physical conditions. That's all for our interpretation of Qian Jin Fang's health chapters. This classic combines Taoist practice with TCM, turning complex health theories into simple daily habits for subhealth relief. Next, we'll explore a Taoist classic focusing on emotional health to tackle modern anxiety. Do you want to prioritize emotional regulation methods? Welcome to leave your comments below. See you in the next episode.